Welcome to Prominic.net tutorials. In this video, we will demonstrate creating a new virtual machine from the Prominic native interface. In order to use this service, you'll need to contact us at support@prominic.net to set up a host for you. From the main menu, select Accounts and then the account you want to use. Then select Manage VM. Finally, select the host where you want to create the new virtual machine. From this interface, you can see all the virtual machines currently on the host, as well as their statuses. Currently, only the templates are present. At the top, there are buttons to perform various tasks. For now, I'll create a new virtual machine. Enter a name for the new virtual machine. Next, select a template. As you can see, there are templates for Windows 2003, Windows 2008, Windows 7, and 2 variants of Red Hat Linux. For this demo, I'll create a Windows 2008 machine. Next, select the amount of memory you wish to use. The values range from 512 megabytes to 32 gigabytes. I'll choose 4 gigabytes for this VM. Submit the form to create the new virtual machine. Our application is able to create the virtual machine within a few seconds. Now that the operation is completed, clicking the refresh button will show the new virtual machine. Select the machine to view more details. At the bottom, there are buttons to adjust the VM, like Start, Shutdown, as well as Migrate to another host. Click the Start to boot the new virtual machine. You will need to give the machine a short while to fully boot. As you can see, there are other selections to manage snapshots, add disks, view logs, and create replicas. To continue with configuration, go to the Connection Information section. We recommend that you change your password from the default value using this button. In order to set up the network information for the new virtual machine, you'll need to click Deploy Network Settings button, and then Deploy. This may require a restart of the virtual machine to finalize. Now the virtual machine is fully set up and ready for use. This application supplies methods to connect to the new virtual machine as well. Go back to the home screen and select Hosts and VMs. Click the virtual machine that was just made. As you can see, there are a variety of applications available to connecting to your machine. You can configure the paths and settings for these applications from the main menu under Applications. The items with green check marks are already configured. Since this virtual machine was not configured with an external IP address, you'll not be able to connect to it directly. Fortunately, the application will handle SSH forwarding for you, which will allow you to connect through the host. First, click the SSH forwarding button. This will open a terminal or PuTTY window that will handle the SSH forwarding. Then click Connect to VM to connect to the selected application. In this case, we chose Aircom Blaze to RDP. You will need to license any Windows virtual machine that you create. If there are any questions on licensing, please let our sales staff at sales@prominic.net know about your needs. You can also connect to your virtual machine with an SSH client if desired. Again, we will need SSH forwarding for this to work. To transfer files, you can connect with SCP using an application like FileZilla. This concludes the virtual machine creation tutorial. Thank you.